In this example, I will show you how to load a component into an assembly. First of all, the loading component operation means loading the geometry data into the memory space. However, you can only load CAT part and CAT product documents, while for the model document, you must use the Activate Representation option. This subject will be explained in the Managing Products in an Assembly. First, pay attention to the shape of the icon of the crank branch 3.1, which means it is unloaded now. Select it. Then click the Load Components icon. As you see, the crank branch 3.1 is loaded now. And that is why, in the specification tree, the link symbol disappears from the document icon.